Hair loss, alopecia, can affect your scalp or your entire body, and it can be temporary or permanent. It can be the result of heredity, hormonal change, medical condition, or even a normal part of aging. Anyone can lose their hair on their head, but it's more common in men. Baldness typically refers to the excessive hair loss from your scalp. Hereditary hair loss with age is the most common cause of baldness. Some people prefer to let their hair loss run in its course untreated and unhidden. Others may cover it up with hairstyle, makeup, hats, or even scarves. And some others choose one of the treatments available to prevent further hair loss or restore growth. Before pursuing hair loss treatment, talk to your doctor about the cause of your hair loss and treatment options. Hair loss can appear in many different ways, depending on what's causing it. It can come on suddenly or gradually and affect just your scalp or your whole body. Signs and symptoms of hair loss may include gradual thinning on top of head. This is the most common type of hair loss, affecting people as they age. In men, hair often begins to recede at the hairline on the forehead. Women typically have a broadening of the part in their hair. An increasingly common hair loss pattern in older women is a receding hairline. Circular or patchy bald spots. Some people lose hair in circular or patchy bald spots on the scalp, beard, or even eyebrows. Your skin may become itchy or painful before the hair falls out. Sudden loosening of hair. A physical or emotional shock can cause hair to loosen. Handfuls of hair may come out when combing or washing your hair, or even after gentle tugging. This type of hair loss usually causes overall thinning, but it is temporary. Full body hair loss. Some conditions and medical treatments such as chemotherapy for cancer can result in loss of hair all over your body. This hair usually grows back. Patches or scaling that spread over the scalp. This is a sign of ringworm. It may be accompanied by broken hair, redness, swelling, and at times oozing. Causes. People typically lose 50 to 100 hair a day. This usually is noticeable because new hair is growing in at the same time. Hair loss occurs when new hair doesn't replace the hair that has already fallen out. Hair loss is typically related to one or more of the following factors. Family history or hereditary. The most common cause of hair loss is a hereditary condition that happens with aging. This condition is called androgenic alopecia, a male pattern baldness and a female pattern baldness. It usually occurs gradually and in predictable patterns. A receding hairline and bald spots in men, and thinning hair along the crown of the scalp in women. Hormonal changes and medical conditions. A variety of conditions can cause permanent or temporary hair loss, including hormonal changes due to pregnancy, childbirth, menopause, and thyroid problems. Medical conditions include alopecia areata, which is an immune system related and causes patchy hair loss. Scalp infections such as ringworm and a hair pulling disorder called trichomoniophilia. Medical conditions and supplements. Hair loss can be a side effect of certain drugs, such as those used for cancer, arthritis, depression, heart problems, gout, and high blood pressure. Radiation therapy to the head. The hair may not grow back the same as it was before. A very stressful event. Many people experience a general thinning of hair several months after a physical or emotional shock. This type of hair loss is temporary. Hairstyles and treatments. Excessive styling or hairstyles that pull your hair tight, such as pigtails, can cause a type of hair loss called traction alopecia. Hot oil hair treatments and permanence can also cause hair to fall out. If scarring occurs, hair loss could be permanent. Risk factors. A number of factors can increase your risk of hair loss, including a family history of baldness on your mother's or your father's side, age, significant weight loss, certain medical conditions such as diabetes, stress, poor nutrition. Prevention. Most baldness is caused by genetics, male pattern baldness and female pattern baldness. This type of hair loss is not preventable. These tips may help you avoid preventable hair loss. Be gentle with your hair. Use a detangler and avoid tugging when brushing and combing, especially when your hair is wet. A wide tooth comb might help prevent pulling out hair. Avoid harsh treatments such as hot rollers, curling irons, hot oil treatments and permanents. Limit the tension on hair from styles that use rubber band and braids. Ask your doctor about medications and supplements you take that might cause hair loss. Protect your hair from sunlight and other sources of ultraviolet light. Stop smoking. Some studies show an associate between smoking and baldness in men. If you are being treated with chemotherapy, ask your doctor about a cooling cap. This cap can reduce your risk of losing hair during chemotherapy.